Hey guys, so I ended up getting another case for the iPad because the paper feel one, although it was good to write with, the quality of the screen was decreased tremendously with it, so I just didn't like how it looked. And the whole purpose of me getting the new iPad was so I could have a better screen as well and to make notes easier. But I got this one. It had the highest reviews as far as the tempered glass screen protectors go. It had around 20,000 reviews on Amazon. I think it was 4.5 stars. So I'm pretty excited to see how this one looks. Most people said that it doesn't interfere with the Apple Pencil 2, which is going to be really important for me because I want to use my iPad to take notes mostly by hand. So we'll see how this one is. But so far the quality is pretty good. It comes pre-packaged, just like in a hard cardboard material here, and we'll open it up and take a look and see how it is on the inside. Comes with the usual dust remover, hinge sticker, screen protector, lifting sticker, bubble remover, alcohol swabs, and this is a packet of 2. Comes with doubled things. There's a warranty card for it, and the installation manual. Mostly everyone said the installation was pretty easy for this. And then the screen protectors itself. I'm hoping this doesn't reduce the quality. It looks like it's pretty clear, but we'll see once it's installed. The first thing you want to do is apply the 2 hinge stickers, these ones here, to the side of the iPad. I don't think it really matters if it's straight or not because you're going to be using it to stick on the screen protector. Once that's done, then it says the next thing you want to do is align the screen protector on your screen with the labeled layer face down. Let's see. Okay, got it aligned as best as I could, and then you just stick on stickers. And then you attach the hinge stickers to the screen protector on here. And once you do that, you want to take the screen protector lifting sticker and then attach it to the other side. And then just lift it off like that. Clean off the screen as best as you can. If you want to use the alcohol swabs, you can. I usually don't use them because I feel like they create more dirt on the screen, so I just use a microfiber cloth and then clean it all off as best. And then use the dust removing sticker to peel off any dust that might have stuck onto the screen. And you flip the screen over after removing the protective film and just let it adhere on its own. Once that's done, you can use the bubble remover and just squeegee out any of the bubbles that are left. If you have any dust stuck under the screen, you can gently lift the screen protector and then use this to pop under there, stick to the dust, and then remove it. I don't think I have anything, at least it doesn't look like it. Looks pretty clean. That's it. Let's see how it looks after applying the screen protector to see if the quality of the screen has decreased any. No, it looks pretty good compared to the paper feel, which just looked really blurry. The screen's pretty clear. There's no haziness, there's no like pixelation on the screen. You do have to press a little harder with the pencil, but otherwise it's okay. And it goes over pretty smoothly. And when I mean a little harder, I don't mean a lot, I just mean a tiny bit. The good stuff is that it's tempered glass and it feels quite sturdy. Writing is pretty easy once you get used to how slippery the screen is, and the installation was pretty simple too. The quality of the screen protector looks good and doesn't take away from how the iPad screen actually looks, and I feel like it complements the iPad pretty well. The best thing is that it works really good with the Apple Pencil too, as you can see. I've been using it for a few days now to take notes and haven't had any issues with it so far. The bad though is that, well, I think it goes for all tempered glass screen protectors, is that it's very reflective. So if you were to try to use this outside, you would have to find a spot to avoid the sun hitting it. Otherwise there's going to be a lot of glare. But nothing really else that I can say is bad about it. Overall, I would highly recommend anyone looking for a good screen protector to get this one. And I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested.